Going on, guys? Scent panel number 8 today, and what can I say about this? But when you open it up, man, it's just like did that just happen? It did. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got scent number 8 that makes me feel this way. My bomb number 8, my bomb. Alright, so it makes summertime in a container. The scent has oak moss, lavender, white musk, amber, frankincense, and let me tell you something, it's got it going on. It's probably one of my favorites so far, like really. I've said a few of them like up there in the top, but this is it. This is for me. Only thing I have an issue is the cologne kind of part burns off a little too quick for me. So granted that I would give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It would be a 5 if it lasted the whole time. Now I know that's not what she wants to, her intentions were to give you levels of scents, and I like that, but for me on this one I would prefer if it was just full strength all the time until it just wears out. But it's been a good one. Have no complaints other than just a little burn off too quick for me. Bombs have been holding up really good. Really, the bombs and the butters, I haven't been able to tell honestly too much difference in the hold. It's been kind of similar to me, but you know, it's like I said, number 8 is good. I know some, like Patrick had said, that this is probably the one that's lasted the longest, and I was kind of totally opposite. But I know everybody's genetic makeup is different, and you know, there's factors like being outside, and I've been outside today a lot. So that's about all I got for this one. It's like sunshine in a bottle. I like it. Summertime. Summertime right here. I like it. I would definitely put it in a full time lineup. I think it would do really good. Really do. Yeah, scent number 8, day 8 comes to an end. Like everybody's been kind of saying, I agree. I hate that it's coming to an end, but like I said, all good things do come to an end. But I have been enjoying this, enjoying everybody's interaction. I've been enjoying all the videos. A lot of laughs, a lot of smiles, and that's what we're about. Positive vibes, and you know, picking up one another, uplifting, and this fits right in. This right here screams we are lions right here. So that's all I got, guys. You guys stay blessed. It is dinner time, and I will holler at you guys